All right, so I thought about doing a bit of video about the Bitcoin situation. So let's start with the lower time frame and then we'll move on to the higher time frame. So as we can see, the Bitcoin has been moving in this channel, or we can even call it a flag, maybe. So it's been uptrending, even though it's been struggling for some time lately, but it has done a pretty good move recently, closing above the 21 EMA and the weekly open. And the important thing is it has wicked twice from this strong level, a level which we'll see further when we move on to the higher time frame. So it wicked up twice from this level, which was the low of the flag as well, or the channel. And then it has moved above and closed above the previous week high, right at the zero point 0.5 of the flag. And it's tempted to eat this wick if it hasn't already, has it? 116,759 and 116,758. So just missing just by hair, but I do believe it too. It should want to eat this wick. And if we see the volume on the trade trigger, we can see that it's having some pretty solid continuous volume. So that's also a good indication. And we do need a bit more push for it to do some good move. So that is one thing. And then we can see these green dots on the trade trigger, which are also telling us that the trend has become pretty strong so far. And yes, this dot is telling us that it is bullish on the higher time frame as well. So, and yes, of course, it has been trending above the 4-hour 200 EMA as well, apart from the 21 EMA. So let's take a look on the higher time frame of daily. Let's see what's up on the daily. So on the daily, we can see this was the level I was talking about earlier, match with this wick. So we can see that it has wicked from this level, and now this candle is tempted to eat this candle. And if it does, that will be very bullish. And then we can expect it to hit this 120K around this area, which will be the first major struggle. Of course, apart from a bit of this flag top as well. So it has wicked from the bottom of the flag and this level and is tempted to go up, eating this wick, hitting this level. This is the first real struggle I expect, and then maybe even the all-time high of 124.5K or something around that. And this is a pretty bullish structure. And let's take a look at the weekly. That's the real thing. So, I mean, couldn't be more bullish. See, solid green candles all around. So I would say it should hit this one easily, if not more. So that's the Bitcoin analysis for now. Yes, we do want more volume, and it could happen pretty soon. Let's see when it does.